good. Okay. So first let's start with Ruby section. Yes. Advik, Rane, Arav. Hi Advik. Hi Arav. Hi Anjane. Hi Karan. Hi Kushagra. Hi Kushagra Jharia. Kushagra Parmar. Vedarsh Mahajan. Neera. And Adhya Dudve. Ravina Desai. Prachi Mujalde. Right. Gursaki Bhatia. Okay, so Adya Mittal, Abhay, Alina, Cheezen, Daksh, Guni, Harshvardhan, Humera, Kalindi, Kashika, Kunj, Kushagra, and Atharva, Arush, Anvesh, and Sakshi, Srasti, Sharnam, Siddhi, Soumya, okay, Sanidhya Malve, Sanidhya Saraf, all the lovely and nice students, we all are missing you over here in the school. Okay. So dear students, which chapter is going on? Chapter number 4 is going on. And what is the chapter name of the chapter? Art Festivals. What is the name of the chapter? Art Festivals. And you have seen 3 videos which is based on this chapter. Now this is part number 4. This is part number 4 which you are going to see soon, right? So on those 3 classes we already had a discussion about national festivals. I told you in India is a land of festivals. Each and every day we are celebrating festivals. In that Independence Day discussion we already had done. Republic Day discussion we already had done. Now it's time to discuss some more national festivals. So in that I am going to write number 3, the Gandhi Jayanti. Okay? Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is another national festival. Gandhi Jayanti is another national festival. Gandhi Jayanti means the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi ko we can call it Bapu also. We can call it Bapu also. Okay? So on 2nd October, when we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Okay, 2nd October, we have a holiday. Every year we have holiday, and this is the day when Mahatma Gandhi was born. And that is the reason Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. We are calling it father of the nation. So we all are celebrating his birthday on 2nd October. Okay. And the 2nd October ko we can celebrate, or we are celebrating Swachh Bharat Abhiyan also. Okay. Because Gandhi ji भी cleanliness को बहुत importance देते थे. ठीक है. So Gandhi ji was the father of the nation, and he also sacrificed his life, his family, his each and everything to get our country free. So Gandhi ji also a wonderful freedom fighter for our country. Okay. Gandhi ji has done his education in South Africa. Then in South Africa there was a small andolan also was there. When you will see, dear student, if you want to collect the more information about the Mahatma Gandhi's life, so my suggestion to you all that you have to see the movie of Gandhi. You have to see the movie of Gandhi. That movie Gandhi is a wonderful movie. When you will see, you can understand about all these sacrifices, all these things about Gandhiji. ठीक है? So whatever is written is in your book. First I am going to read for you, then step by step I will make you understand. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Yes, I told you it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, that thing I told you. It was the great leader. He led our freedom movement. Freedom movement means आंदोलन. ठीक है? स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन या स्वाधीनता के आंदोलन के लिए he fought for us. The main function of Gandhi Jayanti held at Rajghat. So Rajghat is a place where the main function is held every year, and the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi. The President and the Prime Minister and other gather at the Rajghat to pay their homage. Mahatma Gandhi is called father of the nation. He also loving called Bapu. So what are the things you have to make it underline first? Those things I am telling you. Then I will make you understand about the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay? So first you have to underline 2nd October because 2nd October is the born day of Mahatma Gandhi. Make it underline. Then make it underline about the freedom movement. है ना? Make it underline that line, last wali line, freedom movement. And the main function of Gandhi Jayanti is held at Rajghat. So Rajghat also you have to make it underline. If you have a marker, you can mark it. The Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi. So where is situated the Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi? New Delhi. Where is situated Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi? New Delhi. The President and the Prime Minister and other gather of the Rajghat to pay their homage. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. Father of the nation को भी you can make it underline. बापू. ठीक है? अब बेटा महात्मा गांधी के बारे में we will discuss something because our freedom is totally incomplete. Our discussion about the festival or about the national festival is totally incomplete without discussion about the Mahatma Gandhi. ठीक है? Some people or some students also not paying not giving the more respect to Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji because I don't know what is right, what is wrong, but I want to tell you that thing. So please give full respect and honor to all the freedom fighters. Not only to Mahatma Gandhi, not only to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, not only to Indira Gandhi. ठीक है? See, apart from these three people, there are so many freedom fighters who fought for our country, who sacrifices each and everything, their life, their family, each and everything they sacrifice. So on the 15th August, this is our responsibility to remember all those great freedom fighters. ठीक है? It is not like that कि always remember only Mahatma Gandhi, always remember only Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. No, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru की लाइफ सेक्रीफाइस नहीं हुई थी. उन्होंने फ्रीडम के लिए फाइट किया लेकिन उनकी लाइफ सेक्रीफाइस नहीं हुई. ठीक है? लाइफ सेक्रीफाइस किसने की? खुदीराम बोस, शहीद भगत सिंह, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, है ना? देन रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. ठीक है? महाराणा प्रताप, है ना? देन रानी पद्मावती. ठीक है? These all are the very nice persons. These all are the very great leaders of their times. So always remember all those Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. ठीक है? And Gangadhar Tilak जी, है ना? So they are the actual freedom fighters जिन्होंने देश के लिए सब कुछ न्यौछावर किया. So this is our responsibility to remember all those freedom fighters. Veer Savarkar is also a wonderful फ्रीडम फाइटर। ठीक है, अब about Gandhi Jayanti, nothing much you have to remember. You have to remember only the day. The day is 2nd October when Gandhi ji was born, right? And Gandhi ji को we can call it father of the nation also, और प्यार से बच्चे उन्हें बापू कह के बुलाते थे। And his samadhi is situated on New Delhi, and Rajghat is a place where all the leaders of our country they get gathered over there and pray and give their and they give their martyrs to Mahatma Gandhi, right? So apart from these three national festivals, we all are celebrating some more festivals, है ना? So now we will discuss about Children's Day. Number 4 we will discuss about Children's Day. Children's Day. ठीक है, Children's Day. Every year you all are waiting for the Children's Day, and Children's Day we all are celebrating on 14th November. On 14th November we all are celebrating Children's Day. ठीक है, and Children's Day means the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And this question will click is in your mind that who is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, ma'am? So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of our country. He hosted the flag at the Red Fort at the first time after independence. ठीक है, so Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was our first Prime Minister of India, and it was very fond of children. वो बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करते थे. That is the reason all the children are calling them Chacha Nehru. ठीक है, so every year we all are celebrating Children's Day in the honor of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. Now the next one is Teachers Day. The next one is Teachers Day. Teachers Day. Yes, Teachers Day. All the students especially knows about the Teachers Day. So each and every year on 5th of September we all are celebrating Teachers Day. So what is the date? The date is 5th September. The date is 5th September. 5th September को we all are celebrating Teachers Day, है ना? You all the students loves to their teachers. They do some special preparation for their teachers, है ना? So dear students, please remember all these days on the Teachers Day. अब this question will click is in your mind that ma'am, Teachers Day, see, on the honor of Mahatma Gandhi we all are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. On the honor of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru we all are celebrating Children's Day. So as like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi, there was a person. The name of that person is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. What is the name of that person? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The full name of that person is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The full name of that person is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and he became the second president of our country. He became the second president of our country. ठीक है, and one day actually before becoming president he was the professor on some classes, and he was the wonderful teacher, wonderful professor, wonderful lecturer, right? So one day some children came to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and he wanted to wish him, and he wanted to show their love, he wanted to show their gratitude to their teachers. So Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan told told their students, if you want to celebrate my birthday, so celebrate my birthday as a Teachers' Day. What he told? He told, if you want to celebrate my birthday, so celebrate my birthday as a Teachers' Day. ठीक है? Understand? Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India, and it is a day when we are express the love and gratitude to our teachers. है ना? It is the day when we all are expressing our love, our care, our gratitudes towards our teachers, and we feel actually in the schools this Teachers' Day celebration, it means a huge celebration, a big celebration that is organized by these school students, right? And same as it is celebrated in the colleges also, right? So Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of our country, and on the honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, we all are celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th of September, and we all are showing our love, our gratitudes towards our teachers. And see, a special relation, I want to tell you that a special relation always have between a student and a teacher. A special relation always have between a student and a teacher. ठीक है? मम्मी पापा के साथ तो you have relation that God gives you, है ना? वो भगवान ने आपको दिया है, ठीक है? All the relatives you have relation because of your parents, but this teacher and the student relation is the most precious, is the most honored relation, ठीक है? And all students loves to their teachers, and teachers also loves to their students, and teachers always work for the betterment for their students, and students also show their love, their gratitude towards their teachers. Okay, understand all these things? So how many things you will keep remember about the national festival, है ना? Some points you have to remember about the national festivals. Okay. Points to be remembered. Points to be remembered means आपको क्या बातें याद रखनी है, ठीक है? So number one, the dates of all the national festival, ठीक है? Number one, you have to remember that the dates of all the national festival. So Independence Day, we all are celebrating 15th August, and we got freedom on 15th August 1947, ठीक है? Number two, our country became republic on 26th January. Republic Day. So our country became republic on 26th January 1950. ठीक है? These are the dates, these are the years you have to memorize. Number three, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. So Gandhi Jayanti we all are celebrating on 2nd October. ठीक है? Children's Day. Number 4, Children's Day. बेटा Children's Day और Teachers Day नेशनल फेस्टिवल नहीं है. Children's Day and Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great person. ठीक है, so Children's Day and Teachers Day we all are celebrating. These two are not national festival. ये national festival नहीं है, but you have to keep the dates is in your mind. Children's Day 14th November. ठीक है, नंबर 5 टीचर्स डे. We all are celebrating. These two are not the national festivals, but we all are celebrating 5th September. ठीक है, so these all the dates you have to remember. You have to remember. ठीक है, this is the all about today's discussion. You have to remember these points. You have to remember these points. And about Independence Day and Republic Day, you have to remember that on Independence Day the Prime Minister of our country hosts the flag at Red Fort and address to the people from there. And on Republic Day the President of our country hosts the flag and Vijay Chowk. ठीक है, and Vijay Chowk and the Tilak Path, the grand parade will start from those places and a huge celebration always held at both the places. ठीक है, 15th अगस्त को तो a small speech by our Prime Minister, and but on Republic Day that function will go on very long. On Independence Day speech is precious. The speech is very very precious for our by our Prime Minister, and cultural program थोड़े ही होते हैं, but on the Republic Day there are number of list of cultural programs. ठीक है, so understand about all these things. Hope you understand well. अब इसके बाद we all will discuss about the religious festivals. In the next video, in the next class, we start discussing about the religious festivals. Whatever religious festival we all are celebrating, we all will discuss on that festivals. Right? So it's time to say bye bye. But before going to, I want to tell you that you have to write all these days, and the dates is in your EVS copy. This is your today's work. You have to note down all these days and the special day and the dates is in your EVS notebook. Okay, so hope you all will do that. Whatever I will guide you, whatever I will tell you, you all will do the same thing. Okay, so it's time to say bye bye from my side. Bye bye, have a nice day. God bless you. Take care of yourself and keep studies nicely. Bye bye.